Good morning, everyone. Chris here. I'm at the toy box. Got my boy way over there. Can help me here in a bit. We're just out doing some errands, and I am limited on when I can move these things around, i.e. start them, because we share this wall with a neighbor of ours, and they don't like the sound and the fumes. So we're limited on either doing it after hours or on the weekends, which is what we're doing right now. So what I'm going to do today is I want to, so we see how we have all these things staged, you know, they're all backed in nicely except the new Camaro and the new Corvette. I'm going to pull them out and I'm going to back them in front of these two right here, because we need this room. We're selling this trailer over here. That's for a Halloween display, because we got another compressor. But so I need to put these two over here because we have those two other cars that are being worked on right now, the Backdraft Cobra and the C1 Corvette, and we're getting pretty tight on room over here, as you can see. It's getting tight. So when we got this, you know, we were like, oh, we'll have enough room for all the Halloween junk and the cars, but we've added more than what we thought, I guess. So okay, I thought I would bring you guys along because I've only started this car once, and I wanted to get a better video of it running, because I think the 4 seconds I heard this thing running, it sounded amazing. So I wanted to set this up so you guys can enjoy it with me. So I need to unplug the chargers so I can move them, because we have all these things on, you know, little trickle chargers for the winter time, so the battery can, you know, maintain its longevity. So right now I'm just going around, I'm removing or unplugging the chargers and getting them out of the way so I don't run them over. So now I need to come up with a plan. I'd rather not pull them outside, because it's what's that phone's over there? I think it's like 4 degrees today, and the entire driveway or loading dock area is just caked with salt. So I'm gonna try to Austin Power these things and get them where they belong. It'll be interesting. So maybe I'll take this little trailer and push that outside. I mean, it's because it being so cold, you know, these tires are not gonna stick very well to the pavement. And I really don't want to get stuck out there, except nobody help except Nolan. Help push the cars back in. Could make them go front to front, but that doesn't look cool. Yeah, I might not have a choice but to put at least one of them outside. One second. Came up with the conclusion that I do need to put them outside. Not the end of the world. I'll just go slow so it's not to kick up anything. So I'll start with the Corvette. This car is so cool. It's got proximity key, like what you see on a modern car. So, you know, like that ZR1, for example, and the Camaro, you know, and my Jeep. The key's in your pocket, and you can start, unlock, lock the car with that. I picked up on the camera. Look at this thing, just nice tight seal. We weren't a fan of the gauges at first, but these things are really growing on me. Idles down to 800, 700. Nice. I wonder what this is. It's fuel 40. I'm guessing that's 40%. I don't know. Alright, check this out. In reverse, and it dies. All right, let's try this again. That was weird. I wonder why it died going into reverse. Maybe it needs to warm up more. Hope that's enough room for the Camaro. We'll find out. Set this up. All right, kiddo, make it loud. Might be a little too loud. That's really loud. Sounds really good though. As I was trying to figure out how to maneuver this while trying to avoid that car and whatever else, I just saw this. Always something. Alright, well, with that being said, shoot, we got people over here blocking it too. I'm going to pull this thing forward right here so I can get out of here then, because I wasn't planning on this thing having these issues. Whoever is planning on having issues, but I'm gonna get that C2 back in here. Damn. Pisses me off. Alright. Gotta get this C2 in here. It's tight. Like that. Well, got the C2 put away. It's disappointing about the Camaro. What do you expect? That's why it's always an experience when you buy cars, you know, sight unseen. C2's plugged in. Going to the shop. I was gonna go to the shop regardless because I have small things I want to repair. You know, like this thing not folding up how it should, which probably easy repair. I want to maybe get some of the paint flaws fixed, like this little baby chip. Let's see, hold up right there. See that little baby chip. Stuff like that repaired, but now I gotta figure out why there's a damn leak. Look at these taillights, that looks pretty good. And you know what, I'm probably gonna have them do something about the exhaust. I'm guessing there is not a muffler on here. I mean there is, but I don't know if you can pull it up. You'll be able to see there's a little tiny muffler right there. I don't know if I'll call that a muffler. This is basically right off the headers, and the exhaust is right here. This thing's like a freaking drag car, which I kind of knew going into it. I didn't know, but you know, I kind of, based off the tires, I kind of had an idea that that's what its intent was. So something's leaking down here, but I don't know. It's kind of a red, pink. Maybe it's steering, power steering fluid. Oh, it's leaking something. I don't see anything that stands out, but I'm going to keep this guy right here for now because when the backdraft comes, I'm going to want them to take this, you know, in exchange for the Cobra because of this bullshit, whatever this is. And I was talking about, yeah, some other paint, you know, paint zigs. This is a little paint flaw, and there's small things on the inside, I think. I was thinking about switching out these lights to LED, but I don't know, I kind of like this old school look. There's a few more things. I'm pretty sure the fuel gauge doesn't work. This lock back here for the trunk is really finicky. I'll do what I did before, and I'll kind of write up a list of what I need done to it. Oh, alright, I'm sorry, that video wasn't as cool as I had hoped it would be. You got to hear the Camaro though. She's loud. She's a little too loud for my taste, at least. You know, I do plan on having this be a driver. So, okay. Well, sometime in the springtime, you know, when it's time to take these things home and out of storage and use them for the season, I'll come around and I'll do a video, actually, showing, you know, or like sharing, you know, how each one sounds. And again, we'll do videos this summer of detailing and testing, and not, you know, we don't beat on our cars. We work hard for them. We don't get them to beat on, but you know, we'll do some, you know, small accelerations and things like that. So, all right, guys. It's disappointing. Wish that video could have been more, but whatever. Maybe I'll post the video of the backdraft when that comes back and this thing loading up. We'll see. It's usually a quick little chore, but all right, guys. Well, I appreciate you watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks.